Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for January 7, 2021. If you look at the SPY daily chart, so we jump right in here, so we can see that the market it continues to push it up all-time high. As you can see here, the market it continues to put in upside. So as long as the trend is still in the upside, we will stay with the trend. So if you look at the short term, the market it continues to make it high low. It's no sign of trouble yet. So it means that we still have room to put it to the upside. If you are in our live trading room today, so we before the market open, we analyze so that our members know where the market is heading to. So we know that the market they found a support at the buy zone. So when the market open, so we guide all of our members to take a first trade to get some quick money for daily income. So we jump in right here to where the market open, and we push it back up right into the target zone already predefined. So within the first hour, we'll be able to gain 30 points. So that's the $1,500 per one ES contract, and we're done for the day. And after that, the market goes sideways, and after hour, the market is still continue to put to the upside. And let's see overnight the market it will how far they can go before they can pull back and get some momentum, and then the trend is still up. We will stick with the uptrend. If you look at a lot of stock that I analyze for you during a weekly market forecast on Sunday, so you can see that the technology sector is still very bullish. Yesterday they slugged it a little bit, but after that today they were able to get back the momentum and put to the upside. And IWM with the small scalp stock is still doing very well, as you can see here. Okay, no sign of trouble yet. They pulled back yesterday, they put it back up. Today they continue to put it higher. And the Dow also doing well. They continue to make it all-time high, as you can see here. So and the semiconductor, like I told you on the Sunday, the semiconductor sector is very well, and then they could continue to push it back up because high demand on a 5G technology, artificial intelligence, and a lot of stock that require the new chip. So that's why this sector is doing very well. And you can see that I'll show you a couple of stocks here. You can see that if you take a look, and we have to show you since last Sunday, look at here, it continues to rumble to the upside. Applied material, okay, another strong one. After they go here, and the last 4 days they go up every day, they go higher and faster. And MXIM, let's see, Maxim Integrated, it also doing today, they take off to the upside. MSK, that's another one that continues to rumble to the upside here. Lam Research, LRCX, that's another strong one that they turn around very quickly and put it up to the upside, as you can see here. So if you be able to identify and understand how to read the chart, you'll be able to see exactly when the market breakout at the down trend line, they continue to push it back up to the upside. And you can spot a lot of stock like this. Every time they go up, they pull back, they break out, they continue to go higher. They go up, they pull back, they break out, they continue to go higher. And a lot of stock on the clean energy, alternative energy at Biden going to take the office. You can see that those stocks will get a big benefit. So you can see a lot of stock like solar, clean energy, renewable energy. They will take off very quickly. For example, like the stock that we show you on the weekend, that's the Plug Power. Look at it, boom! They go from $30 to $50. It's just only a couple of days. Okay, and the GP. That's another one that continued to rumble to the last couple of days to the upside. And the banking sector, with a lot of stimulus money flow into the market, you see the bank that we have to show you, and you see last couple of days, look at the bank, how they go very quickly. And there's a lot of money out there. The APM, okay, that's another one, right? Bank of America. You see those stocks, they take up. So, and then you can see a lot of oil stock from the oil sector already turnaround, like OSY, okay, Chevron, okay, ExxonMobil, Philip. You see, so those just some of the stuff that we show you over the weekend, and then you can see that during the week they continue to go up to the upside. So that's why it's very important. A lot of people they don't know where to buy, what to buy, because they stay there by themselves, and they just listen to the friends, to the relatives, to the people around them. They keep trading the penny stock, and then they don't make a damn. That's why you have to understand, okay, where the market is heading to, and you have to understand how to read the chart. Okay, the chart will tell you everything. So that's why you need to have a Q scat so that you can understand how to read the price chart, so that you can take a trade accordingly, and then you can make some money. So this is just a few stuff that we show you over in our live trading room every day. We have a lot of stock that we analyze with our members every morning in real time, so that people they know where the market heading to, so we can get in the trade earlier, and then we can get out when it hit to the resistance. So overall trend is still bullish, as you can see here. So this morning I jumped in, take a quick trade. So for the daily income of $2,133, and help our members to make a lot more money on the first move in the upside here. So if you would like to understand how to read the chart and how to using modern technical analysis to analyze the chart, we don't use software, we don't use a lot of indicator. Everything we do is price action, because nothing is better than price. Okay, the price will tell you everything, combined with crowd psychology and a pattern recognition. You'll be able to tell where the market is heading to. So please check out our website at Stock Navigators if you would like to learn more, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will alert you so that you know where the market heading to. And hopefully that no kind of YouTube I put it up here will help you to learn something. And if you like it, please give me a thumb up, and I will see you on the next weekly market forecast. Take care and good luck, everyone.